Ayan tanan. Murag na gidali. Mas bata di. Ni apel ko ani, it's like part of the DSWD in education that they will cater some students, college students, to be part of their tutor, which is like the Tarabasa. And I joined. I don't. I wasn't like hopeful to be part of this actually because sa process na ako during the process na nanguluba ako because basin dili na ako kaabot and kwaon rin nila is 100. Wa ko kabalo if ikapila ko but I just tried. And after that mga pila dago, it was like in February I guess, then karong April, like some last weeks sa April, they announced and we have this like training, orientation training before we go to the field, which is the school, and we will be teaching like 3 to 5 students. And this is my siguro my challenge, and also this ako dong ma-feel this is really a great experience jud nako.
Yeah, this is the present day. We're done in our 20-day session for Tarabasa. Sa June 4 minahuman, today is June 8, and I'm currently editing this vlog, Kuluhay. And this is like the present, siguro reflection, pamalandong sa unsay ang ito was a great experience for us, mga educator, before we go to field demonstration kanimerot or to be intern, naka-experience namin na to teach and to have this kind of first-hand experience of kids, teaching with kids, teaching kids or tutoring kids, facilitating the kids, etc., etc. Like, maka-feel ko nga, you're literal teacher, jud yung eskwelahan by. It was really a challenging days, 20 days. It was a challenge, jud siya. Just imagine we have to teach 5 kids, 5 kids lang gani. 5 kids lang gani, naglisod pa. The challenge was like teaching the kids and to be consistent like every day. Imagine we just have like 3 hours. Then ang uban na di pa dyan maingon nga maagtan og 3 hours if you teach your session really fast or really early. Dali ra man ang session. But lisod jud na lisod ang consistency in terms of teaching jud because you have to engage with the students. Apil na diha ang entertain. It's like entertaining with the kids because lahi ang attention sa kids and you have to assess yung pang observe lang students unsa iyang klase nga learning style. You have to reinforce that those strength niya and dapat imo silang ma-facilitate or ma-organize na dapat matudloan sila sakto and as much as possible matudloan sila sakto and dungan because tanan dito sa mo ang akong mga kauban sa akong mga kauban ang kinalisudan jud sa amoa was teaching kids nga behind nga dili man kadapat. Dili siya nimo dapat tudloan og mga present session if wala siya ka balo atong first session niyo. Gani, syempre, halata jud as in. Kapag kayo siya actually, you will realize I understand the teachers, labaw na sa elementary. Grabe, pasensya boy. Like, maghatag jud kag authority sa kids. I mean, not those very bad one, pero kailangan makasabot silang ikaw mo yung more dominant. Maminaw sila nimo, dapat kung unsay istorya sa nagtudlo kano dapat tinuhuloon because lahi ang attention span sa bata. Balag mo ando na it's not the truth. Diyos ko. So, I understand the teachers na grabe pasensya boy, like the fuck to kay as in. Honestly lang yun, I'm not kidding, like, murang bitag math science nila ni mong elementary. And, just imagine, kaning mga bata ay mo tudloan, you will mold this kind of students nga you will mold this kind of students na dapat mahatagan mo tarong knowledge because importante kayong starting point sa ila adjud inani nga place sa ila ang pag-eskwela. And I realized nga the factor ng system sa Philippines like fuck you maot ang the fuck maot ang sistema sa Pilipinas.
Ang mga gamit, tupan! Ako, kahit tupan na ako, paalis na ako, kahit para matupan! Ano tupan ako? Ay, si Karen ba? Mahal na ako, dali. Dali, lumay lang ka. Dali. Naapong may power ng lumpi.
Ganahan ko mo man ang March. Napaka-review ko. Ano, every time yan ay unfortunate situation or na mga butang na dili makontrol. Timing pa dyan sa daghang inconvenient kaya ang bang tao o sitwasyon. I'm trying to live ang ubang tao na nag-anad. I don't appreciate things that are so fast or we are like in a hurry na dapat mahuman na tao sa kabutang. Kasi yung tanan, yet, kapoy kayo siya. Hindi mahuman ang tanan, pero feel kapoy. Kapoy dyan siya. Marag kapoy ang tanan. Marag na gidali, marag na tayo ang cool mo, bro. No choice, bro. Intro sa Karunyas. Hindi pa ako kabalo. O, diba? Sa'yo na. I have a new calendar.
너만 근데 어디 갔더라? 서울 가요. 거기 누가 있어? 이거 혼자 가요.
The pads for the floor sweeper. This is for the bathroom just to put my toothbrush and
안녕하세요.
Nine. 2, 7. Videohan.
Videohin na si Kuan.